2 miles of Thunderbirds. And yes. Just one film when I did this, it wasn't really that good. So that's why I just one again. And as much closer over there going over track mode. And I believe Scoot will. Yeah, I'm gonna go POV for this, because why not? This one was a little bit wonky, that's why. But this will be a better film, I'm hoping. So I want the video to give likes. Yeah, it's still me, I'm afraid. I just knew it. I think it's a later time for Scoop. I thought I was going to go off straight away. I was hoping. It's quite a little bit dark around here for some reason. What about no? You're here forgetting me by Lewis Capaldi. I'll probably put it in the description. Where is that? Just wait. Just wait a minute. 2, 1. Press start now. Yeah, I thought I was going to say that. I was going to do that actually. I just knew it. Yeah, I know how to skip like the flashes over there, if you can see. Yeah. It's not like there's no wonking anymore, which is good. It really isn't wonking, which is good actually. I think this is a little bit still mute. You can seriously say this is for mute, sadly. It's pretty stupid, but no events. And that's the back of it, which you'll see. The back of the rides. Yeah, one of Kitty White's Kitty White 2023 filmed this. Just wondering, actually. Because I think this Kitty White is really good, this one. But shame it's still on a low volume. I'm so sad about this actually. It is a bit annoying though. Actually. To be on this on a low volume. Actually. That's much cars are going off by the way. Third ride. There's no flash, sadly. I don't know why. Put it there, the headphones. Makes it better, actually. Makes it kind of better, really. Yeah, I want to show you what's inside the Ultimate Thunderbird 2, but I can't. Because I don't know where inside it is, actually, sadly. I would, but I can't, unfortunately. If I would, I will show you. Yeah, his script's going off again. Okay, there used to be one of these at Asda in Tilbury. That's where I normally go sometimes. It used to be owned by Photomy, I'm believing. That's what I remember. How come both Thunderbird 2 Kitty Rise have fan which is mute? Why can't I just have sound for God's sake? What's going on, to be honest? Just wait a minute. It's going to be a full ride. My friend Dash will be over with a scoop. See there? Right, if it should be now, go. Yeah, I just knew it. Full fried. Seriously, the volume's so low. It's not mute, but it's just got low volume. Yeah, let's get on it. Why not? I might make this a perfect video. Yeah, do you see Magic Cards on Scoop over there? I think they're still in the positions over there, which is good. Yeah, I might just get on it. I don't want any kids to get on it actually. Just in case. Because it makes me feel comfortable actually. Just to be fair. I can't believe it's getting dark quite early here. No, it's a bit dark around here. Who agrees with me? Yeah, Aiden or Harry managed to fix the stubborn from Thunderbirds there. Managed to not make it wonky anymore. But this is a fifth ride, isn't it? Yeah, I thought that actually. Just knew it was a fifth ride actually. Sometimes it allows me to skip it, sometimes it doesn't. The image cars is moving over there. It's just going off. What's about no? Proper builder. I'm telling you. Look at that. Wait, that's dark now. That's funny now, look. I actually enjoy this ride. Actually. It's just the last time I filmed this ride, it wasn't really that good. That's why I do this one again. I hope it will give likes, I'm hoping. Just fingers crossed. Yeah, I wish there was someone next to Postman and Snoopy over there. That'd be great. Because Postman's not next to Snoopy now for some weird reason. I'm not sure why. Just a bit uncomfortable. There's a Magic Cards over there moving, by the way. I'll just wait a minute again. It takes a few seconds. Yeah, I knew it. But I should start about, let's say, 5, 4... now. There we go. Six rides. Sorry guys, it might be a bit longer than I expected. So please forgive me. I'm afraid I'm gonna have storage, I'm afraid. Sadly. I'm afraid, guys. I'm not singing the theme song. You guys like my singing there? Yeah. Got a feeling they're playing Halloween music there. I'm not sure. I hope you guys like my singing. I had to sing that to myself. Because it's mute. Oh, wait again. This takes a little bit long time. I might be live, guys. What about no? It's 7 right. What about no, Bobber Builder? I don't know what that music's coming from, actually, but it's a bit loud. It gets dark about 4:30 now, apparently. I wish I knew why it didn't have any sounds, or had low volume. Keep getting things mixed up. I prefer the V2 because it's low pitched, as you already know. If you're asking me that question, AJ, the Kiddie Ride Master. If you actually ask. How can the magic cards are going off? But this is an 8th ride. I believe in. I think so. Not sure. It's so boring when kiddie rides are mute. Seriously. Hate it. It sucks to me. I wish they'd fix the sound on this. Same with Snoopy over there. But I just enjoyed this. Even when it still moves, then I'm happy with that, actually. I'm quite happy with that, to be honest with you. There's some Halloween sort of stuff there, I'm believing. There's some Halloween pop-ups. I don't know, really. Even Halloween's gone already. Don't know why they're still playing it. But oh well. Yeah, I want to see an Amitet 20 Troggy with this. Yeah, for some reason there's a kid's just climbing on Snoopy a bit over there. I just saw it climbing, by the way, a little bit. If you could just see. Right, I'm annoying you now, Bobber Builder. That's it. I've had enough. Oh, for goodness sake. Really? Knife rides. Yeah, when I get on the motor sometimes struggles for some weird reason. That's when I get on the rides. It's just the motor sometimes a little bit struggles or something. I believe in. Yeah, I can hear a little bit now loud music. But it's not copyright. You can see Bob there. Good street there. One thing I'm glad about, not many kids are climbing on Scoop today, which is good. Well, maybe 1 or 2, I don't know. I'm leaving. Please, Doris, just don't do this to me. I'm being serious right now. As much cars are going over trap mode. It's going off again. But as far as I know, they fixed the sound on it. Anyway, it hasn't been working since about 2 or 3 years. As far as I know. See, Scoop's light in a little bit dark, if you could just see. I like how flashes in a little bit dark, by the way. I really love it, actually. Last ride. And I better get it to start to finish, or else. There's one thing when I did this, I didn't get to start to finish apparently, which kind of annoys me a bit. See there? Super Plus flashes really well. Sorry, I tripped in those plugs there. Plug sockets. Whatever those called. Sorry. I don't know why. Get as much cars over there and let's see Scoop. Get Postman and Sloopy over there. Well, there used to be Peppa Pig and Peppa Hoy here, and Thomas, which was inside the arcade. Sorry, that kid was almost going to go on it for 1 second. I know what some kids are like. I'm not saying anything, Bobby Builder. I've literally had enough of you saying can we fix it all the time. Price there, not suitable for children over 6 months. Don't know why that says that still. Yeah, that was 10 Rides on Thunderbirds. A good film.